Witnessing one of the largest equipment moves in Alberta's history firsthand was an awe-inspiring experience. A massive petrochemical splitter weighing a staggering 820 tons, 1,740,000 pounds, and stretching 96 meters, 320 feet in length, embarked on a monumental journey through the streets of Edmonton, Alberta. The sheer scale of this operation prompts the question: how many wheels support this colossal load? The answer lies in the convoy's heavy-duty tractor trailer, equipped with an impressive array of wheels to bear the weight of the splitter and navigate the city's thoroughfares safely. This is undeniably one of the most perilous undertakings in the realm of transportation. The Super Heavy Haul crew at Lone Star Transportation embarks on a monumental journey with a demethanizer tower in tow. This towering structure, equipped with 92 wheels, symbolizes the pinnacle of engineering prowess and logistical finesse. For the uninitiated, a demethanizer tower is more than just a colossal metal structure. It serves as the heart of a process that separates liquefied natural gas, LNG, into its various components through the application of heat. As the LNG ascends the tower, its components condense at different levels, allowing for the extraction of distinct substances from each section. The mission ahead is not merely a transportation task, but a testament to human ingenuity and innovation. Guided by precision planning and unwavering expertise, in the heart of Hoven, Germany, a monumental salvage operation unfolded as a 102.5-ton glacial erratic rock was recovered from a field. Heavy machinery, including a 9-axle, 800-ton crane, the Liebherr LTM 1750, was enlisted for the task. However, its removal required an intricate ballet of heavy equipment. Numerous axles and countless tires worked in synchronized harmony. The salvage operation was a testament to human ingenuity and technical prowess. Every piece of equipment and every tire moved in unison under strict command, demonstrating the meticulous planning and precise execution required to accomplish such a feat. Lefebvre and Sons undertook the monumental task of transporting Cretec's largest beam. Measuring a staggering 183 feet in length, weighing 226,000 pounds, and towering at 96 inches tall, the mere designation of oversized load feels like an understatement in the face of this colossal structure. To put it into perspective, this behemoth requires a convoy of 62 wheels to support its weight and navigate the road safely. As Lefebvre and Sons orchestrated the intricate logistics of this transport, their expertise and precision shone through. On January 13, 2024, a daring heavy haulage operation took place, transporting 5 prestigious yachts. The Princess X95, Ferretti Yachts 720, Riva 66 Rebelle, Azimut Magellano 60, and Azimut Flybridge 53. Valued at $12 million, these mega yachts posed a significant challenge due to their weight of up to 110 tons and length of 29 meters. The risky endeavor involved pulling the yachts ashore from the pontoon using heavy haulage trucks. The top-heavy nature of these vessels added an extra layer of complexity to the transport, demanding meticulous planning and precise execution to avoid potential accidents. The heavy haulage of 2 CO2 gas tanks from Barlage Company in Hazeluna to Durban turned into a nightmare from the outset. Signs of trouble emerged early on, with halved trees marking the path through the city of Sogol. The true calamity struck when the first gas tank toppled over shortly after passing through this area, crashing onto the adjacent field. Thankfully, no injuries were reported, but the incident served as a stark reminder of the risks inherent in heavy haulage operations. The Liebherr PR776 Latronic Crawler Dozer is the ultimate machine for tough jobs like ripping, transporting materials, and grading. With an operating weight of up to 73,189 kilograms and a blade capacity of 22 cubic meters, it is built to handle heavy-duty tasks. At the heart of this beast is a 565 kilowatt 12-cylinder engine, delivering a massive 768 horsepower. With all Liebherr components working in harmony, this dozer offers unparalleled reliability and efficiency. The 600 UBS, Africa's biggest tractor, was built in 1994 by Alf and Koos Koetser. Although the ACO factory has since closed, the legacy of these tractors endures. With a base weight of 25 tons and a V12 ADE 444 Ti engine producing 820 GP, this machine was designed to tackle the toughest jobs. Watching the logging truck navigate that muddy road had me holding my breath. The tension was palpable. Any misstep could spell disaster. The Marloff road vehicle, hauling two massive trucks, embarked on a memorable journey along the challenging 30-kilometer road. The Regio Design XXL chopper is a record-breaking giant. Standing 5 meters tall and 10 meters long, more than twice the length of a middleweight bike, this massive chopper is not just a display piece but a fully functional ride. Weighing in at 5.5 tons and powered by a 5.7-liter V8 engine from Chevrolet, this beast produces 280 horsepower. And it's not just for show, it can actually be driven on the road. Fortunately, this heavy vehicle safely navigated the slope. The G480, laden with tens of tons of wood, must maintain a very slow speed when handling sharp turns to ensure safety. Loaded with timber logs at the rear, this truck requires assistance to climb uphill. You can witness its wheels sinking into the dirt road, battling gravity to ascend. The level of danger this truck faces is evident in its precarious journey uphill. The Socadema DS300 trencher is a game-changer for construction and underground installation projects. This specialized machine is designed for trenching, making it perfect for laying cables, pipes, and other underground systems. Its powerful diesel engine, ranging from 50 to 100 horsepower, ensures high performance even in the toughest conditions. The XXL Transformer heavy transport through Pulheim was an extraordinary feat, epitomizing the pinnacle of logistical expertise and engineering prowess. With a total weight of 800 tons, this mammoth operation involved moving a critical component for the energy sector across the city to its designated location. Executing such a task required specialized transport equipment capable of bearing the immense weight and comprehensive route planning to navigate urban infrastructure safely.